All right, Kevin's going to do a test ride. That was fun. First gear okay.
Yep. I'm just clearing the plate.
Yeah, pull the clutch in.
Yep.
I mean, it feels good.
Yep.
All right. Keep your arms up. Keep your arms up.
That clutch is slipping.
Hmm?
That clutch is slipping. I had it pulled all the way in.
It's dragging.
Yeah, we're dragging. Sorry. Yeah. As soon
All
as
right.
I put it in first gear, it started moving.
I know, I noticed. All right, well, we got a little bit of play here. Let's just tighten this up a little. Let's see how this feels. Okay, try her again.
Third time's a charm.
Yeah.
Put it neutral first.
There goes second gear. And third gear. Okay, so it seems to be shifting. We'll see how it is when it gets back up. Whether the clutch is still dragging a little bit. We'll see. And here he comes. Coming back under his own power. Always a good thing. That didn't sound good.
It doesn't want to go into first. You've got to be almost a full stop before it'll go into first.
Really?
Yeah.
So when you just stalled out there coming in,
That was probably just me.
that was you.
Probably me, yeah. I was trying to downshift and that was probably me. Because I didn't have any other trouble.
All right. So tell me more about first.
It just, you've got to be almost stopped before it'll drop into first, even with the clutch all the way in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When you're coming down from third to second.
Third, fourth, third, second, no problem. Up, down, up. Once you got it in first, no problem. It's just from second into first, you've got to be almost dead stop.
Well, I mean, you don't want it to go into first while you're still rolling.
Yeah,
You're
well, but that's with the clutch pulled all the way in.
I know, but you still clatter the gears.
Yeah, yeah.
Interesting. Does it feel like clutch or tranny causing that problem? Is the clutch still dragging?
No.
The clutch is not dragging?
Nope.
good clutch.
Yep.
And we're gonna do some more. We're gonna ride this some more.
Okay.
All right, let's go inside.
Yeah.
Okay, follow up. The test ride on the Beezer is indeterminate. We're gonna ride it some more and see what happens. Get a better feel for it. Get a better feel for the clutch, the new fluid, the tranny changes, the whole 9 yards. We got ready to, we're ready to roll this silver one out because it's ready to go. And they're putting down new blacktop on my street. And we decided we really don't want to ride these bikes through this new blacktop surface. Even though it dries, they say, in a couple hours. We're going to let that dry overnight and do our test ride tomorrow. We'll do some more miles on this and do a test ride on that. So that's what we're going to do right now. We're having a coffee break.